Hey, bud. Sam in his new jump and go today. A little bit too little, but nothing a little blanket can't help. Sammy, where'd you go, bud? Sammers, come back. Come back. Hi. Hi. This is gonna be fun. Hey, Poo Poo. Sammy. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Punky. How is that? Get your little feet going in there. Woo! He's going crazy. Yeah. You get your leg exercises. He's a big boy. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're awesome. Drunken little babies are my favorite. Hey, Poo Poo. Where are you going? Here, bud. Say bye. Bye. I love you. I love you.